Introducing FileSense, the ultimate Windows utility designed to find, organize, and clean your files in seconds. Reclaim your storage today. Stop wasting time searching through fragmented drives and discover a file manager built for absolute speed, simplicity, and efficiency. With FileSense, you can easily search files by extension across multiple drives, move scattered files in one click, and delete empty folders to keep your directories pristine. The built-in storage analyzer lets you see exactly how your drive space is consumed, automatically categorizing your files for quick and effective cleanup. Our advanced file finder helps you locate files instantly by name, filter by specific size, or detect and safely remove exact duplicate files to free up disk space. Perform bulk operations with ease. Copy files, move them seamlessly, delete clutter, and even preview images directly within the application before taking action. FileSense is built for everyone. Whether you are a student organizing study materials, a developer managing code snippets, or a creator removing large duplicate media. Ready to organize? Experience the ultimate file management system and reclaim your storage. Visit the link on the screen to download FileSense today.